Hey, how's it going, guys? Assad here with another tutorial, and this time we will find tan h, hyperbolic arctangent of a number. So what we're gonna do is we do not need to make function each and every time. I will directly show you that console the log and use the math and math object, and what we're gonna do, use a tan h method and pass -1. It has an answer of infinity, so what we're gonna do is so minus infinity. So next stuff we can do is math.a tan h and pass 0, so answer will be 0 something, 0, and another log, so math.a tan h, and it would be, let me take 0.5, so answer will be like 0.549 something, so if when you need any math properties for that, you will use like a tangent, hyperbolic tangent, so you can use this math.atanh. That's it for today's video, guys. See you guys next time.